Now I would like to say about our 1260V machine. So this is 1260V machine mainly using for die mold applications. The machine specification is the travel of the machine is 1200 in x-axis and 600 mm in y-axis and 600 mm in z-axis. The table size it will come almost 1500 by 600 mm. So maximum almost 1250 kg of the component can be loaded in this machine. So this machine is mainly useful for to make molds, plastic injection molds and die casting molds and pressure die casting molds and pattern making applications. So many customers they are using this machine. The specialty of the machines, we are offering these machines with direct drive spindles. We are offering with 8000 RPM and 10,000 RPM and 12,000 RPM spindle to get better surface finish and with a high quality and a high surface finish on the component. We can achieve almost 10 micron tolerance and we can achieve almost 10 micron profile accuracy on the component. We are offering these machines with Fanuc controller and Siemens controller and Mitsubishi controller. Recently we offer with Fanuc IMF Plus and Siemens 828D and Mitsubishi M80 controller. So this M80 controller also it will come with a touch screen also. So all the controllers we are offering with a 10.4 inch screen. And for die mold application, the specialty now we are offering with all the machines with automatic Z-axis retraction functions. Whenever if you are making a molds, so any power failure happen, automatically it will retract a minimum 0.2 to 0.5 mm up. So our cavity and profiles it will not affect during our machinings. And one more options we are offering with these machines, that is called auto restart functions. This auto restart function it will help to use any power failure conditions. The operator can be run the machines automatically. So these are the special points, and many customers they are using our machines for to make molds and injection molds, die casting and pressure die casting and hot forging die customers also they are using our machines. Any customers can use the machine up to 55 to 60 HRC material can be cut in this machine. So this is a specialty of the machines. Thank you very much.